Hello, Sophia.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, I'm gonna point to the picture and I want you to introduce that family member. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay, let's start from here. Who is this?
This is my grandfather.
Who is this?
This is my grandmother.
And who is this?
This is my dad.
Who is this?
This is my mom. This is my brother. This is my sister. This is my baby sister.
Good job. And who is this?
My uncle. This is my aunt.
Okay, good job. Hello, Sophia.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, I want you to take a look at this picture. Can you tell me what do you see?
All the family.
You see a family, yes or no?
Yes.
And what about this?
The cat.
It's a cat. It's their pet. Okay, can you name some of these family members? For example, who is this? This is?
Mom.
The mother, the mom. What about this?
The sister. The brother. The dad.
The dad. Okay, now, can you tell me, what is this place? Where are they? Are they in the living room?
No.
They are in the? What is this place? Think about it. What do we call it? Where we make our food, where we cook our food. What is it called? It's our?
Kitchen.
Yes, it's the kitchen. Okay, good job, Safsof. Now, do you see the mom here? What is she doing? What is she doing? Look at her. What is she doing? What is she doing?
Cooking the food.
She's cooking the food. Okay. And what about the father? I can see that he's cutting. But what is that? What is he cutting?
The carrot.
The carrots. And do you see other vegetables on the table?
Yes.
Can you name some of them?
Onion.
Onion. What else?
Pepper.
Pepper.
Potato.
Is that it? And tomatoes, as you can see as well. Okay, now, good. And what about the son, the boy? What is he doing? It seems like he's washing something. What is it? He's washing?
The fruit.
He's washing the fruit. And what kind of fruit is that?
Grapes.
He's washing grapes. Okay, so it looks like all the family members are together in the kitchen to prepare
the food.
The food that they're gonna
eat.
Eat together. Okay.